Hello children, welcome to KR Rakka Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, I have started the new lesson, that is days, months and years. And we learn about time. So time is the instrument which will tells us regarding time. Okay, it is having the 1 to 12 numbers, and these numbers will use 2 times in a day. And in this there are 3 hands. First one is hour hand, which will indicate only regarding hour, and it is very shortest and very slowest movable hand in the clock. Second one is minute hand, which is little big compared to hour hand, and this indicates about the minutes, and it will move little faster than the hour hand. So third hand is second hand. It is the thinnest and the longest hand in the clock. It moves very fast compared to both the hands. Okay, and it indicates about seconds. If it completes 1 round in the clock, it means it is 1 minute or it is 60 seconds. This is all about time. Then what is a day? 24 hours together we will call it as a day, and completion of 1 round of the earth on its respective axis is known as a day. So days of the week, there are 7 days of the week. Those are named in terms of planets, sun and the moon. Those are Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y Sunday, M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y Tuesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y Wednesday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y Thursday, F-R-I-D-A-Y Friday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y Saturday. These are all 7 days of the week. Which day comes before Saturday? Friday comes before Saturday. The day that comes after Tuesday. So Monday is the day that comes after Tuesday is Wednesday, that comes after Tuesday. Now today we will know about what is a year. Y-E-A-R, year. The earth also moves around the sun. The time taken by the earth to move around the sun once on a fixed path is called 1 year. Suppose if you think that there is a sun here and earth is here, earth will revolve around it and it will move around the sun like this in its own path. So from one place to move the side and this side, and again it is come to the first place. So to complete 1 round, it takes 365 and 6 hours. So it means to complete one path or one circle around the sun, it takes 1 year. That is known as a year. The earth also moves around the sun. The time taken by the earth to move around the sun once on a fixed path is called 1 year. So from here and to complete 1 round, that is 1 year. I hope you understood. Number of days in a year. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to go around the sun. Number of days in a year. To complete 1 round around the sun, earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. Then these Okay, this is leap year. So commonly we have 365 days in a year. Let's read the book. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to go around the sun. Therefore, a year has 365 full days. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. It comes after every 4 years. It comes always, leap year will comes after every 4 years. Okay. When we will have leap year? Now we are in 2021, 22, 23, 4, 24. So 2024 will be leap year, and that year we will have 366 days in a year. Understood? Months in a year. There are 12 months in 1 year. These are the 7 months shown in red color have 31 days. The 4 months shown in the blue have 30 days. Only February has 28 days. See, I will write them. Months of the year. Months of the year. First month is January, January. January is having 31 days. Second one is February, February, February. March. February is having 28 days. Only it is having 29 days on leap year. Okay, leap year one day will increase, no? That day we will add in February. Every other than the leap year it will be having 28 days. Only on leap year it will be having 29 days. So third one is March. March is again having 31 days. Fourth, April. So April is having 30 days. May, June, 7th one is July, 8th, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So January is having 31 days. February is having 28 days commonly, but on leap year it is having 29 days. March is having 31 days. April is 30 days. May again 31 days. June 30. July is 31. August is also 31. Okay, July, August and 31. Then September is 30. October is 31. November is 30. And December is 30. Okay, if we add these all, we will get 365 days in a year. January, January with 31 days. February, February, 28 days and 29 days in leap year. March with 31 days. April with 30 days. May December with 31 days. Let us do think and write. Which year is this? Now which year is this? 2021. In a leap year, February has 29 days. A. Which year is this? 2021. B. What is the month now? It is March. C. What day is it? Today which day? It is 8th of March. Next, time to answer. Write true or false. February has 30 days. Just now we have seen about February. February may have 28 or 29 days, but they had told February has 30 days. So this is false. First one is false. Second one, 365 days make a year. True. Third one, there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. True. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis is called a year. Yes, this is also true. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis. No, this is not a year, this is day. So it means this is false. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis with respect to sun is called a day. But a time taken by the earth to move around the sun once on a fixed path is called 1 year. So the fourth one is false. Next, terms. Day. Time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis. Year. Time taken by the earth to move around the sun on a fixed path. Leap year. A year with 366 days. Now I know. After hearing this lesson, what we know? A watch or a clock tells us the time. The earth moves in two ways. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis is 1 day. The time taken by the earth to move once around the sun is 1 year. That is 365 days. A week has 7 days. There are 12 months in a year. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. Let us practice. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash has 20 days, 28 days. This all I will discuss in the next class, and even I will send the PDF also for this. Once I will tell the answers, tomorrow I will solve this on the board. First one, dash has 28 days. So first is February has 28 days. Second, a dash tells us the time. A clock tells us the time. Third, a leap year has dash days. A leap year has 366 days. Fourth, the earth takes dash days to move around the sun. 365 days to move around the sun. Circle the names of the days and months written correctly. Sunday. First is correct. Circle it. Saturday. Saturday correct. Febru. This is wrong. February. November. November. This is correct. August is wrong. Thursday is also wrong. September is also wrong. FRIDAY should be there. This is also wrong. April wrong. June is correct. JUNE June. OCTOBER October is correct. Again moon day. Monday is wrong. Match the following. A leap year should match to C. 366 days. A year around the sun. Earth moves around the sun. A year is equal to 12 months. First one, A leap year joined to C, 366 days. Second one, A year joined to A, 12 months. Earth moves D around the sun. Fourth, a week, B, 7 days. Answer the following questions. What is a day? How can we measure time? What is a year? What is a leap year? How much time does Earth take to go around the sun? What does the long hand of a clock indicate? Then they have given some activities related to your birthday. Write these all things. Write in which month the following people celebrate their birthday. Your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your friend. On a sheet of chart paper, draw clocks to show the time when you do the following activities. Go to school, play games, study, have dinner. These all you should show in the clocks. Okay, this is all activity. Till this you read the lesson twice, thrice and all. Read it again and again, then only you will be perfect. And the tomorrow's class I will solve these all the exercise practice. Let us practice. On the board you write it in your fair, and day after tomorrow I will send a PDF also, that also you compare and write it. Okay, thank you. Complete your fair till today. And I hope you are reading this, and very soon you are having revision also. I will start it. Okay, daily you read the lessons after completion of this, and even I will also read the lessons. While I will read, that time you should keep the finger on the word where I am reading, and you to read with me. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, I hope you will all follow the instructions which I have given to you all. Okay, and if you have any doubts, confusions related to EVS subjects, you can call me and you can solve your questions. Okay, thank you.